In this video, we're going to activate a Genius post. In the last video, we created it and I showed you how you can edit it. And if you remember, if you click the icon, you'll see a card here. And you can create as many of these as you want. You can have multiple Genius posts go in at one time, and you can go and run them as you need to. What will happen, what you'll see is they'll get picked up and they'll get more activation, and then if you run them again, they'll get a little more activation, and you can keep them running for a long time, usually. And if not, then that's fine, then you start a new one and do it again on that one. If you don't remember which post it was, you can click View Post, and that'll open the mobile version and you'll be able to see what the post was. But usually you'll be able to remember it from the name that you gave it and the, let's see if I can get, from the name that you gave it and from the description that's there. So we're going to run it. You'll see the 0 of 0 because we just created this in the last video. I did run one before on this one, but I've deleted that card for that. And I just went in, this had all caught up, I just went in about 10 minutes ago and asked Margaret Mullen to put a keyword in there, and then she added another little comment. So let's go ahead and run this, and we'll watch what happens when you click run. Now, I told this, okay, you're going to get the blue screen first. You have to wait for that. We're almost there, initializing Genius posts. Please don't close the page. Now, I told this software, if you remember from the last video, we waited, I think it was 3 minutes between doing things. So it says here Genius Posts is working. Now it's going to sit there and it's going to count the time because normally it would be between them, but it also adds that at the beginning. So it's not going to do anything on Margaret's post for about 3 minutes. Now Genius Post itself has a little buffer, plus we gave it a 3-minute buffer, plus we put the random time in there, I think was 30 seconds. So anywhere between 2.5 and 3.5 minutes, plus the Genius Post's automatic buffer. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the video and we can come back. On the video, you'll only see it gone for half a second, but I'll just wait and pause it and I'll bring it back in as this gets ready to work. Okay, it's opening Messenger. And there we go. It's adding, thanks for the comment. You typed in the keyword, we can go back and take a look at that. And then it added to the thread. Thank you, I sent you a PM. And I'll go back, we'll take a look at that. You can see down here, thanks for commenting. You typed the keyword to get a video link. Here's the link. Let me know if you have any questions. That is the random selection it chose from the group that we put in, and the post has been replied to. And of course, if there were more, it would keep going right down the line and would keep adding them. You can see we have 52 of 52. There were 52 comments. It has replied to all of them. Because before it went to do Margaret's, it went all the way through all of them and just double check that they had responses based on the keyword or no keyword. That's it. That's how this works. It works really well. It keeps your engagement good. It sends the conversation to Messenger. Make sure when you are in the segments, whatever one you use last, make sure you have some type of a question or some type of a thing that needs a follow-up so that you can continue that conversation and get in dialogue with your client or your potential lead or your customer or the person you're trying to get to watch a video or whatever it might be. And you can get the most out of it the more you get. Remember, it's social media. The more you get social, the more results you're going to get, usually and typically. Thank you very much. If you have any questions about the software or about using it, if you run into any difficulties, please reach out to us. We'll be happy to help. We want to make sure you get the most out of it. Thank you very much.